Measurement of length and solutions. Question number 1. Some lengths are given in the column 1 of table 5.5. Some units are given in column 2. So match the lengths with the units suitable for measuring those lengths. Can you tell the distance between Delhi and Lucknow we measured in which terms?
Kilometer.
Yes, this we measured in kilometers. Okay, this we measured in kilometers. Then how we can measure the thickness of the kind?
Millimeter.
Very good. Thickness of the kind we measured in millimeter. Can you, how do you measure the length of an eraser?
Centimeter.
Yes, this is centimeter. The length of the school ground is?
Meter.
Meter. Okay, and like this you have to match. All of you please note down this answer. Read the following statements and mark true or false against it. The motion of a car moving on a straight road is an example for linear motion. Is it true? True or false is it?
True.
Very good. This is true. Any object which is changing its position with respect to a reference point with time is said to be in motion. Suppose object is changing its position with respect to time or with respect to reference point. Then that is said to be in motion, right? The given option, the given statement is true or false?
True.
Very good. It is true. Next, is it true or false? 1 kilometer equal to 100 centimeter. No, it is false. 1 kilometer equal to how many meters?
1000.
1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Then how will you convert into centimeter? 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? 1 meter equal to how many centimeters?
100.
So the meter to convert into centimeter you multiply with 100. Okay, so how many zeros are there?
1 lakh.
Okay, 1 kilometer equal to how many centimeters?
1 lakh.
1 lakh centimeters. But given in the option, they given 1 kilometer equal to 100 centimeters. Is it correct?
No.
No. So this is
False.
okay. Which of the following is not a standard unit of measuring? Not. Here given not a standard unit of measuring of length. Millimeter, centimeter, kilometer and handspan. Which one is the right answer?
Handspan.
Why it is right answer handspan?
Because different people have different sizes.
Very good. The answer is 4. Search for the different scales or measuring tapes at your home and school. Find out the smallest value that can be measured using each of these scales. Record your observations in a tabular form. Observations of different scales or measuring tapes. Now you see here they given the measuring different. What are they given? Different scales they given. Measuring tapes also given. Right? Then home measuring tape. By using home measuring tape, we can measure the smallest value up to
Millimeter.
how many millimeters?
1 millimeter.
1 millimeter. Okay. And the smallest value that can be measured using the school ruler is
1 millimeter.
1 millimeter. Yes. And one more is there here. The smallest value that can be measured using Taylor's measuring tape is
1 millimeter.
very good. That is also 1 millimeter. And one more is there. Metal measuring rod. By using the smallest value that can be measured by using the metal measuring rod is
1 millimeter.
that's 1 millimeter is answer. Okay, is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Suppose the distance between your school and home is 1.5 kilometers. So express it in meters. Okay, now you see here the distance between your school and home is how much? 1.5 kilometers. So 1 kilometer equal to how many meters?
1000.
To convert kilometer into meter, you have to multiply with 1000. So this we can multiply with 1.5 into 1000 meters. So 15,000. So here after point we have one digit, right? So after point you put one digit. So the answer is 1500 meter. What is the answer? 1500 meters. Right answer like this. Take a tumbler or a bottle, measure the length of curved part of the base of glass or bottle and record it. Then how do you measure the length of this curved part of bottle? By using what type of scale you have to use here? Flexible measuring table. Here given these two are and these are we called as flexible measuring tapes. By using this we can measure the length of this bottle, okay, like this. and length of this tumbler also we can measure, and this is also tumbler. By placing like this we can measure the length of each bottle or tumbler. Right, here we have measure the length of the curved part of the base of the tumbler or bottle using a flexible measuring tape and record the value in centimeters or millimeters as per the tape. Okay, so in this way we can measure. Measure the height of your friend and express it in meters, centimeters, and millimeters. Okay, I will ask one question. Aaron, what is your height in meter?
1.5 meters.
Okay, Aaron height is your 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters we can write as 1.5 m. M indicates, small m indicates meter. To convert meter into centimeter, so you have to multiply with 100. 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. So to convert meter into centimeter, you have to multiply with 100. 1.5 into 100, so we can write as 1.5 after 5. So here we have two zeros. After point we have here one digit. So put point here after one point. One value you put one digit here. The answer is 150 centimeter. Okay, what is your height in meter? 1.5. What is your height in centimeter? 150 centimeter. To convert centimeter into millimeter, don't talk please. To convert centimeter into millimeter, 1 centimeter equal to how many millimeters? 10 millimeters. So the given value, the centimeter, now you see, to convert centimeter into millimeter. So what you have to do now? 1 centimeter equal to how many millimeters? 10 millimeters. Say 1 centimeter equal to how many millimeters? 10 millimeters. So 150 into 10 millimeters.
1,500.
It will be how much? 1500 millimeters. So this is your answer. Is it clear, everyone? You are given a coin. Estimate how many coins are required to be placed one after the other lengthwise without leaving any gap between them. To cover the whole length of the chosen side of a notebook, please don't verify your estimate by measuring the same side of the notebook and the size of the coin using a 15 centimeter scale. Now you see, I have taken one notebook. I have selected this end of the length of the notebook. Now I am measuring this length of the notebook. Okay, so like this I am measuring. Then in the scale, it is showing how much now? It is around 7 centimeters. How much length it is showing? 7 centimeters. Now to measure the 7 centimeters, I am placing these coins. How many coins are required? Please don't touch. How many coins are required to measure the length of this book? Like this. You have to place like this. Now also you measure the length of each coin. Length of the each coin also you measure. So how many coins are required? Approximately it is requiring how many coins? Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kinds are required to measure the length of this book. Okay, now you come to here. You measure the length of each kind from here to here. So from where to where you have to measure. So I am putting this kind here in between this point. So the point you have to measure the diameter of the length of the coin. Means you see here. Just a minute. All of you please see here. So you put the coin here. You take the diameter of this coin. So I am taking from here. You see, this is the diameter of the coin. Just you place here to measure the diameter of the coin. Now you see, what is the diameter of the coin we are getting here? Just you measure this length. It is around we are getting 1.2 centimeters. The diameter of the coin is how much here? 1.2 centimeters. The length of the notebook is how much now? Length of the notebook is, we got here, just now we got here how much? 7 centimeter. Then diameter of the each coin, it is approximately equal to how much? This is 1 point. So you have to place like this. This is the diameter. Then how do you take the diameter of the coin now? You see, again I am measuring this. Now you see what is the length it is. Can you tell now exactly it is matching with 1.3 or not? Now you see what is the length of this coin now? 1.1 centimeter. How much it is? 1.1 centimeter. Like that coins we placed. How many coins here? How many coins we placed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coins. Each coin is having how much length? One coin is having the length is 1.1 centimeter. बट 6 काइंस का कितना हो सकता है? 1.12 ऐसा कुछ है. So 6 काइंस का कितना होता है? So what is the length of the 6 काइंस? Okay, it is also approximately equal to 6 2 is 12, right? 6 1 is 6 plus 1 7, 6 1 is 6. It is equal to 6.72. The length of the notebook also 7 centimeter. Means to measure the length of this book, 2 rupees coin. How many 2 rupees coins are required? 6 2 rupees coins are required. Each 2 rupees coins is having the length is how much? 1.12 centimeter. Then when you place 6 coins like this, it is equal to how much length? It is approximately equal to 7 centimeters. So which is the length of the book? Is it clear, everyone? You
Yes.
measure the length of the coin like this. You measure the length of the book like this. And for to equal this 7 centimeter, how many coins are required? Like that you measure. How many coins are required to measure this? 6 coins are required. Okay, this 6 coins length is equal to length of one notebook, which is matching with 7 centimeters. So it is approximately matched, not exactly. Yes or no? Okay, the answer is like this. You have to do. To measure the length of this book, don't make the noise, please. If the side of the notebook is 7 centimeter and the coin diameter is 1.12 centimeter, just now we measure. So like that we need how many coins? 6 coins. To get the number of coins, first we have to measure the length of notebook. That is how much? 7 centimeter. So number of coins equal to so there is a formula, length of notebook by diameter of the coin, diameter of each coin, okay, diameter of each coin. So if you do like this, no, you will get the approximately number, how many coins are required to measure the notebook length. Now see, we measured the notebook length, kitna aaya tha abhi? How much? The length of the notebook is how much we got here? 7 centimeters. 7. By diameter of the each coin we got as 1.12 centimeter. When you do this, you will get approximately 6.72. Means approximately we require how many kinds? 6 kinds are required. How many kinds are required to measure this book?
6 coins.
6 coins are required. In this way, you have to calculate. Is it clear, everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Move on to the next question. Give two examples each of each for the linear, circulator, and oscillator motion. Linear motion means a car moving on a straight road, a person walking in a straight line, and these athletes are running in the straight path. All these examples for the linear motion. Okay, and here we have given this car is moving in the straight line, and here these athletes are running in the straight line, and these two examples for the linear motion. Whereas in circular motion, the motion of fan blade, the motion of merry-go-round, and this person revolving a stone tied with the thread in circular path, and planets revolves around the sun, and these are called as these are example for the circular motion. And the example for the oscillator motions are the swinging of a pendulum and the motion of child on a swing, and these two examples for the oscillatory motion. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
In oscillator motion, they repeat their path again and again, back and to and fro motion. In circular path also, the stone is repeating its path again and again. And this circular motion and oscillator motion also example for the periodic motion. What is periodic motion? Periodic motion means if they repeat their path to and fro or again and again, and that type of motion is called as periodic motion. Observe different objects around you. It is easier to express the length of some objects in millimeter, some in centimeter, and some in meter. Make a list of 3 objects in each category and enter them in the table 5.6. Okay. For calculating millimeter, you have to select the very small objects, or the thickness of the objects are very small. Example to measure in the millimeters. Can you tell something?
Thickness of coin.
Very good. Thickness of coin, thickness of coin, and thickness of Nail.
Thickness of battery.
Very good. Thickness of battery. So all these thickness are we measured in millimeter. Can you give the example for which are measured in centimeter?
Length
Yes.
of pencil.
Very good. Length of pencil. Length of pencil.
Length of razor.
Length of eraser. Length
Length
of
of notebook.
very good. Length of notebook. And these are examples for so we these things we can measure in centimeter. Per meter you have to take the long objects. Example.
Height of a door.
Very good. Height of a door. Any more else?
Length of a car.
Okay. Length.
Width of a room.
Length of a car.
Width of a room. Length
Okay.
of a table.
Length of table. Width of room. Any more else? Yes. Length of your blackboard.
Height of a sheet.
Okay. So all these things we measured in meters. Okay. Very good. Nice. A roller coaster track is made in the shape shown in this figure. Ball starts from the point A and escapes through point F. Ball starts from point A and escapes through point F. Identify the types of motion of the ball on the roller coaster and corresponding portion of the track. Now you see from A to B it looks like as a straight line. So it indicates what type of motion?
Linear motion.
Very good. It indicates linear motion. Okay. And now you see from B to C it looks like a curved path. So the ball moves in the curved path. It indicates
Curved motion.
very good. It indicates curved motion. Curved motion. Okay, now when ball comes from here to here, it moves like one circular path. And what type of motion it is?
Circular motion.
Very good. It is circular motion. Okay, and from the D to E also it completed one circle path like this. So what type of motion it is?
Circular motion.
Very good. It is also circular motion. From E to F it moves in straight line again. So what type of motion it is?
Linear motion.
Very good. It is linear motion. Motion. Tasneem wants to make a meter scale by herself. She considers the following materials for it: plywood, paper, cloth, stretchable rubber, and steel. Which of these should she not use and why? Yes? Can you tell the answer?
Paper.
Which we cannot use to make the scale?
Paper.
Yeah, paper we cannot use. Why?
It can tear easily.
It can tear easily. Or other one?
Clothing.
Cloth is there. So why? It is not rigid. So cloth is not rigid. And other one is not
Stretchable
useful
rubber.
for very good. That is
Stretchable.
stretchable rubber. Why we cannot select this?
It is not rigid and it can be stretched.
Or it can deform easily also. Okay, these are the things we cannot use to make the meter scale. Which are the things we can use?
Plywood and steel. Plywood and steel.
Very good. Plywood and steel को हम use कर सकते हैं मीटर स्केल बनाने के लिए. Okay, we can use this. Why?
Because they are durable and rigid.
Because they are durable and rigid. Very good. This is our answer. So paper, it is not rigid and can tear easily. Cloth also we cannot use to make the meter scale. So it is also not rigid and can stretch or string. Stretchable rubber also we cannot use. Why? Because it is not rigid and can stretch or deform, making measurements inaccurate. She should use either plywood or steel because they are rigid, durable, less prone to deformation or shrinkage, and can be marked accurately with measurements. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Think, design, and develop a card game on conversion of units of length to play with your friends. Card game. Here we have three types of card. Listen. Here we have how many types of card? Three types of card. One card name we called as length card. One of the card is length card. And Marlo, this is the length card. Okay, this is the length card. Okay, length card is having some units like not units. They have some values like in 2 meter 50 centimeter, 1 meter 25 centimeter, or 3 meter 20 centimeter. Like that they have the values. Okay, like that you will make some 10 number of cards like this. Okay, so they are showing some values like 1 meter, or it will show 2 meter 20 centimeter, or it will show 4 meter 4 centimeter 5 millimeter, like that it will show. Okay, and like this cards you make 10 cards with different values. And one more card we have that conversion card. What is the card? We have conversion card, a conversion card. So in this conversion card, you have to write only units to convert. Let us say the given length card you convert in the kilometer, you convert in meter, kilometer, or you convert in meter, or you convert in millimeter. Like that you make 3 cards. Like that you make 3 cards, 3 or 10 cards like this. Okay, and reference cards which will give only formulas. Reference cards only it will show the formulas. ये formula card में क्या show करेगा? 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeter. So then 1 kilometer equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. So 1 centimeter equal to how many millimeters? 10 millimeters. This reference card shows only formulas. Okay, now how to play this? You have to select only length card and conversion card. Suppose you got, listen, suppose Aaron got 2 meter 20 centimeter card. Suno, you got 2 meter 20 centimeter card, and also you pick one more card that is conversion card. In that the conversion card it has only meter. What is that?
Meter.
Or it is showing centimeter. It is showing centimeter. Don't play this. Listen. So what you get here? Length card you got here 2 meter 20 centimeter, and you selected one conversion card. It is showing convert into meter or centimeter. Okay, one more is there. So you write here centimeter. Okay, in conversion card you have selected, it is showing centimeter. Whatever that length card, it is showing the value 2 meter 20 centimeter. So this value you have to convert it into centimeter by using the reference card. Reference card में formulas रहेगा. वो formulas को देख के हम convert करना पड़ेगा. Then how do you convert this 2 meter 20 centimeter in centimeter? 2 meter equal to how many centimeters? Already it is there in your reference card. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Then 2 meter equal to 200 centimeter. Then 2 meter 20 centimeter will become how much?
220.
Very good. 2 meter 20 centimeter. So that is 200 centimeter plus 20. How much it will become? 220 centimeter. And check with the reference cards. Keep the card if the correct. Okay. If you are correct, then keep the card with you. Means you will get 1 point like that. So like this you have to play. Okay. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Then thank you for watching. Please subscribe Samyans Academy. Bye, children. Have a good day.